Hello, we're back here with Dr. Curatola.
Dr. Curatola.
Famous Dr. Curatola from Rejuvenation Dentistry, of course,
better.
in Manhattan, East Hampton, all over the world, in all honesty. And he is here to explain a little bit about FLOWpresso from his perspective. We've been working together for about a year with it. And so what do you think about FLOWpresso and what is it for you?
This changes the entire treatment protocol for biologic dentistry. And for three reasons. The first is, if you're detoxing the mouth, if you're removing heavy metals, if you're going into cavitations, if you're taking out infected root canal teeth, what takes toxins away?
The lymphatic system.
Lymphatic system.
The lymphatic system.
The lymphatic system. So move the lymph. You have to move lymph to get toxins out of the body. So, we could do this mechanical work like beautiful Ginny here, who's really in a nice calm state. So the first thing is, if you're going to eliminate toxicity, which is a fundamental principle of biologic dentistry, you need to move the lymph. What's the second thing? Anxiety, right? So patients come in anxious. What is anxiety? Put the state of the autonomic nervous system with anxiety, sympathetic mode,
Right.
fight or flight, which Ginny knows very well.
Going to the dentist. I'm going to the dentist.
Going to the dentist. So even if we're not even doing, before the patient even gets started for treatment, having a session with FLOWpresso, this spacesuit right here, which you can scan with the phone, this is quite an extraordinary piece of equipment that the patient in the dental chair right here, they're in the dental chair.
Clothes on.
With clothes on, yes, would be a problem if they didn't have
Yes,
clothes on
outside of
in the
scope a
dentist
little bit.
office.
Yes.
This, I find my patients with FLOWpresso go into a parasympathetic
Right.
state
The rest heal.
in a matter of minutes with FLOWpresso.
And for the dentists
This,
themselves.
just the comfort of the squeezing and the infrared, right?
Right.
So it's this gradual flowing pressure exerting. It's like somebody's giving them a hug
Right.
all over their body, and they're in the dental chair, and it just takes them away and out of that sympathetic state and puts them in a parasympathetic state. So that's really the second thing that's really great, just the anxiety.
Right.
And what's the third thing you worry about at the dentist? Oh, yes.
Pain.
Pain. So there are procedures that are done in dentistry which are invasive, where it's invasive in soft tissue, it's invasive in hard tissue. So what does every biologic dentist want? They want to reduce pain and they want to reduce swelling.
Oh.
And so how do we reduce pain and swelling with FLOWpresso? Infrared,
PMF.
PEMF, all of this flowing through the body to reduce pain and swelling, to reduce anxiety, to eliminate toxins. And that's why FLOWpresso is an essential piece of equipment for any biologic dentist. That sums it up.
That does. Absolutely. So there you go. I have nothing left to say. Thank you. It
And our
helps you
beautiful
relax.
Jenny here. Smile, Jenny.
Yeah.
Look at that smile.
So
Wonderful.
thank you, Dr. Curatola. We know it's wonderful to help people get into a restful state. It helps them allow their bodies to flow into health and wellness, which is our default program. It just helps them get there easier. So thank you for all your
You're
assistance
welcome.
and everything you do. Namaste.